A pipe bursts in your home, the very first thing you should do is leave the scene. Sounds backwards, right? But if you don't step away immediately, the damage could double in minutes. So why am I telling you how to stop a burst water pipe by getting out of the room? Keep watching, I'll explain. And I'll even give you 4 simple things you can do today to help stop a burst pipe from flooding your home again. Let's get into it. A burst pipe can pump hundreds of litres of water into your home in just minutes. That's the equivalent of a small kiddie pool being dumped in your home. Towels won't stop it. Buckets won't save you. The only thing that will fix a burst pipe is heading out to your water meter and shutting down your water supply. But here lies a bigger problem. Most people don't even know where their water meter is. Be honest, do you know where yours is? Well, thankfully, finding your water meter is an easy solve. If you live in a house, it's usually out the front, near the boundary of your property. In apartments, it might be inside a utility cupboard or shed across the building. Once you find your water meter, which looks something like this, look for the stop tap or lever. That looks a little like this. Turn it hard clockwise, and the water should stop instantly. That single move could save you thousands in repairs and insurance claims. But if you've never tested it, finding it in an emergency situation might be stressful, which is why you should check it now. Seriously, press pause and check it now. Okay, you've stopped the flood this time, but how do you stop a burst pipe from happening again? Here are those 4 steps I told you about earlier. First, start by getting your plumbing checked regularly. Second, listen for knocking or vibrating sounds in the pipes. Yep, I'm talking about those eerie sounds keeping you up all night. That's what plumbers call a water hammer. The third thing you can do is make sure you use licensed professionals if you're renovating. Lastly, don't plant big trees right next to underground pipes. The roots can crack pipes as they grow. And for a bonus tip, if you're going away on holiday, shut off the supply before you leave to avoid emergency plumbing repairs while you're away. Prevention is about being ready. Find your water meter, test the stop tap so you know how it works, show your family where it is. When a pipe bursts, being prepared could mean the difference between a quick fix and major insurance claims. Water damage is one of the most common home insurance claims in Australia. So, before a burst pipe turns into a nightmare, get prepared and make sure your insurance has you covered.